As I briefly mentioned earlier, LabJack T4 and T7 run a Modbus server that allows communication based on the Modbus TCP protocol. So pretty much everything that you do on the LabJack has to go through that server, whether you are using your Python wrapper or a Lua script that is running on board, or when you're using Kipling, for example, to read or write values into its registers, all that has to go through the Modbus server. And one thing that I recommend that you do right away with your browser is to go to this page, it's 3.1 Modbus map in the documentation, and just bookmark this page. This is a quick way to find information about the various registers, and it's a similar type of information that you can also find when you're working with Kipling, in particular the register manager. So let's have a look. For example, let's say that you're looking for information relating to the T4 device, and let's say that you're wondering about something in relation to digital input outputs, and you can also use the search tool here, and you can type in at least part of the name of the register that you're looking for. So let's say we've got FIO7. You can see its address, which is useful when you want to interact with this particular register programmatically. You can do it by name as well, but you can also do it by address. You can find the address. You can see what kind of data you can write to this register, whether you can read, write, or both. Tags, also useful for searching, and you can expand the row and get more information about it. So this allows you to read or set instead of one bit of the digital input output. You can get the same information here. So you can go for FIO, for example, search for it. Just going to remove my active registers. So there is FIO7. You can expand that. You can get more information about it. You can see the same description appears here as well. And you have pretty much the same information in a different view. So I find that the Modbus map tool is particularly useful when I am working with the Lua script debugger, so I don't have to switch back to the register matrix to extract this information. And also when I'm writing Python scripts and I'm using the Python wrapper for the LabJack, I keep this aside as a quick reference for my programming work. Okay, when you're ready and you've bookmarked this page, feel free to move on to section 4 of this course, where I'll be talking about Kipling. I'll do an extensive demonstration and a presentation of the various capabilities and features of the Kipling software application. I'm also going to spend a bit of time to do a demonstration of LabJack, which is the logging application for Windows only. I'll be showing you how to use the beta version of the application, currently beta at least, because it is much better than the current production version of this utility.